Cashing out big, $1 million Coinbase guide. Ever dreamt of that life-changing windfall? You know, the kind that has you quitting your day job, sipping margaritas on a beach, and finally achieving financial freedom? Maybe you just hit it big with some crypto investments, or maybe you inherited a small fortune. Whatever the reason, congratulations. But now comes the real question: how do you actually access that money? Sure, $1 million sounds amazing in theory, but what about turning it into something tangible? Especially if your windfall resides on a platform like Coinbase. Fear not, future high rollers. This video will walk you through the exact steps of cashing out a cool $1 million on Coinbase. Before we begin, important considerations. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. $1 million is a significant amount of money. Cashing out at this level might trigger tax implications depending on your location and how you acquired the funds. It's crucial to consult with a qualified tax advisor before making any major withdrawals. Secondly, Coinbase, like any financial institution, has limitations on daily withdrawal amounts. So, cashing out $1 million won't be an instant process. We'll discuss these limitations and how to navigate them strategically. Finally, a gentle reminder: the world of crypto can be volatile. By the time you watch this video, market conditions might have changed. Do your own research and make informed decisions based on your current situation. Alright, with the disclaimers out of the way, let's get down to business. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of cashing out $1 million on Coinbase. Step 1. Log in and navigate to your portfolio. First things first, head over to the Coinbase website or app and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio section. This will display all your crypto holdings, including their current value. Step 2. Select the crypto you want to cash out. Chances are, your $1 million isn't sitting in a single cryptocurrency. You might have a mix of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital assets. Decide which ones you want to convert to cash. Step 3. Head to the sell option. For each chosen cryptocurrency, locate the sell option. Clicking this will open a window where you can specify the amount you want to convert to cash. Here's where things get interesting. Step 4. Understanding withdrawal limits. Coinbase, like most platforms, has daily withdrawal limits. These limits vary depending on your account verification level and payment method. For large sums like $1 million, you'll likely exceed these daily limits. Step 5. Spreading out your withdrawals. Don't panic. There's a way around these limits. The key is to spread out your withdrawals over several days or even weeks. Calculate the maximum amount you can withdraw daily based on your account limitations. Then, schedule multiple withdrawals over time until you reach your $1 million goal. Step A. Optional: increasing your withdrawal limits. Coinbase offers higher withdrawal limits for fully verified accounts. This involves completing additional identity checks and linking your bank account. While not mandatory, it can significantly speed up the cashing out process. Step 6. Choosing your withdrawal method. Coinbase offers several ways to receive your cash. You can link your bank account for a direct deposit or opt for a wire transfer. Each method comes with its own processing time and fees. Step 7. Review and confirm. Once you've chosen the amount, withdrawal method, and schedule, double-check everything for accuracy. Then, confirm the transaction. Taxes and reporting. Remember that taxman lurking in the shadows? Remember that consultation with a tax advisor we mentioned earlier? Here's where it becomes crucial. Selling a significant amount of cryptocurrency might trigger capital gains taxes. Your advisor can help you navigate these complexities and ensure you're compliant with all regulations. Security tips for large withdrawals. Cashing out $1 million is exciting, but it also makes you a target for scammers. Here are some security tips to keep in mind.